Yeah, peeps, morning. I don't know Freelance Jamaica TV and today. Let's go and gonna take care of them plants, you know. Yeah, mulch them up and get them ready up. Yeah, we have a few more than us to see, man. So I get to that. So we have some on the far side over here. So. Yeah, peeps, can see. Farmer come on nice and easy. That's more of some young pumpkin or a transplant are there. Yeah, peeps. So, have to like it, share, subscribe. You know, Jamaica TV, guys. Now clear out the water, you look at the water can go around.
You want to swift to move, Jada. Move like flat, what's wrong with you? Bro, all the things you want to do. I love the shadow.
Yeah, guys, so open up the water, yeah, look at so. Come on back again. Now, as I can see, peeps. Farm coming on nice, you know. Banana tree. Yeah, my young pine tree, as I see the sketch. Yeah, man. Trim them up. Trim my pepper tree, ready for beer, you know. Plant, you know, this will be a plant, you know. Planting tree, I'm not sure. I get water still. I get only for water, what you say, and now open up like. The water can't sleep in. You want to see pumpkin there, man. Put them up on a stick. See if there are water then I know. Hey peeps, so we come to the end of today's show. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.